This is a complete video on how you can master KINEMASTER. So let's jump straight into the video. If you have any question, don't forget to drop in the comment section. Give a thumbs up to this video, like, and of course, drop your comments in the comment section below. Once you open your KINEMASTER, tap on the middle icon. Right now, we have different space here. The first one, 1.1, is for Instagram videos or Facebook video. And the middle one is for the normal phone version. And the 16.9 is for a movie, if you are editing video for a movie version. We will be using the 1.1. Right now we are in KINEMASTER. Let me explain to you everything you need to know before we start editing our video. The up one, which is media, is where you pick the video which you want to use as your background video, as the main video. When you come down to layer allows you to put video on top the one you have chosen. And the voice is where you do voice over, where you record your voice on top of your editing video. Audio is where you add sound to your video. So let's start editing, and I will show you how you master this application. You tap on media and select a video you want to use for editing to be your background video. What you need to do, you are going to pick a video either from your camera or a video you have already shoot, or that you have downloaded and you want to make use of. I will go to download. Under download, I have some couples of videos which I will be using for this tutorial. So I will be choosing this. I then tap on the top to exit. For you to adjust this video, you tap here and it's going to bring options like this. The first scissors is where you cut the clip anywhere you want to cut. When you tap on it, you can trim it from the left hand side, or you can trim it from the right hand side, or you can split it ahead. Or if you want to take down the video, you click on extract audio and the audio sound will be extracted, just something like this. So right now the video is left without audio. The audio sound has been extracted. For you to return back the video, or if you made a mistake, for you to correct your mistake, you don't need to delete the content or go back. Simply tap on the left hand side at the top, the reverse arrow, and the audio will return back. So right now, for you to adjust this content, tap on video. At the middle side is where you adjust the content. Tap it and you can now adjust the video. Tap on the middle to merge it together so it doesn't go up and down. So tap at the top for it to be stable. So right now, let's cut this content. We are going to be cutting it here. We tap it, tap on the scissors, and we're going to split it ahead. So we're going to tap here to make it look the same as the first one which you are seeing. So I will tap here and then tap here and then adjust it to its normal self. So I'll tap here to let it be. So right now we have cut split this ahead. To add a zoom right here, you tap the icon and it's going to bring you an option where you'll be choosing what to do next. Tap on classic transition. You can choose fade through, zoom out, or fade or crossfade. Choose the one you want to make use of, the one that will befit you to use. So that's how it works. So right now, for you to add text or logo or any video on top of this, what you are going to do, you tap on layer. Right now, media is where you add another video or picture on top of the main content. Effect is where you add effect to this video, either by blue, VHS tracking, or you can get more effect from the get more button. Tap here to exit. Tap on layer and you'll be able to add overlay, text, or even draw on top of this. We're going to be tapping text. So I will be adding text now, which has to do with PG influencer. PG influencer, and tap on OK. And right now our text is ready. So you can adjust this text simply by dragging your finger on top of the double arrow button. Adjust it down or anywhere you want to. So the next thing you will be doing is very easy. Tap on the text to fade in, fade out, or overlay. So right now this is the fading. I will be adjusting and this text is going to fade in. Fade in, then I'll use fade in and then adjust it, and now it's going to fade in. 3, 2. As you see, the text actually faded in. Now, for you to add extra effects to this, all you need to do, go to layer. Under layer, you will be typing media. Right on media, you can choose the logo and then make use of your logo on this picture, on this content, sorry. Search for your logo that you will be using, and I will be using PG Influencer. If your logo is on a bracket and you want to make it cycle, kindly go to crop. Under crop, tap on mask. Right now, as you can see, it marks in brackets in cycle. You can tap the shape to adjust any shape you want right here. So I will be tapping here, tap here, and then I can now adjust my logo, put it anywhere I want to put it right here. If you are new to PG Influencer, why not subscribe and turn your notification icon so you get notified when we drop a new video. All you need to do, if you want your logo to extend to the end of the video, tap on the logo, then extend it like this. All the back parts, extend it also to get to the end of your video, depending on how long your video is. So once you are done with this, you can adjust your logo downward, upward, or anywhere you intend to put your logo. So what you're going to do, if you want to reduce the sound of this video, tap on the video and go to the volume, the speaker icon, tap on it, bring it down, and of course the sound will go off. Tap on the second one, tap on the speaker icon, bring it down, and the sound will go off. Now when I play this, there will be no sound on this video. As you can see, the video is playing, yet there is no sound. If you want this logo to swipe in or blink, you use the same method you use while putting the text. So now the next thing we'll be looking at is actually how you can add special effects or double picture or video on this content. You go to layer. Under layer, tap on media. Under media, locate the video you want to use as your second layer. So I'll be going to download. Under download, I'll pick this video to use. You can use your own video, picture, or anything you want to make use of, and of course you will get it done. So I pick the video and I'll click OK, and as you can see now, I'll be bringing this boy, the guy back here again. So what I will be doing, I'll just do like this, then adjust it just like this in order for it to fit to the scene. So as you can see now, the next thing you'll be doing, go to cropping. Under cropping, align the mask. After mask, click on shape, then go to the carpet shape. Once you are done with that, go back, then align the fader so it should look as if it's the same thing. Then once you are done with this, tap on it, increase it a bit in order to match in line with this. I'll tap on it and you click here to reduce down the volume. Click here. So now when I play, the thing goes the same. As you can see, there are now two in one video. How about if you want just one to talk and the other to be silent? What you need to do, tap here, tap on the one you want to be silent, click on the scissors icon, then split it ahead, tap on it. Since you want this one to talk, you're going to click on the volume icon and increase the volume. Then when you play, that one will be talking and this second one will not be talking. You do the same thing here. If you want the second to talk and the down one not to talk, tap on the down, tap on volume, allow it to be 0%, then tap on the up one, tap on volume and increase it. This way, you'll be able to increase the volume of the second one to talk and the first one will not talk. It will just remain silent. So this is how you double video on it. So the next thing I will show you is how you can make special effects on your content or video using KINEMASTER, taking off green screen and of course making your content look unique. So let's first of all jump to how you can voice over on your content. You face a situation whereby your text is hidden. All you need to do, tap on your text. At the left hand side, you tap at the three dots, then don't duplicate, you just bring it front. So right now, your text is front and visible. You drag this way to meet up to the end of your video. So let's go on the voice over. What you're going to do, tap here to exit. So now you don't have enough effects, but you want effect. Click here to visit market. Your data will be on. When you click here, it will take you straight to market where you'll be able to get any content you want. You like this video, why not give a thumbs up and of course turn on the notification icon so you get notified when we drop a new video. Don't forget to follow us, PG Influencer, for great content like this. The next video is how you can actually do special effects using KINEMASTER. If you want that, let me see your comment in the comment section and I'll give a tutorial on how you do special effects. If you want me to do it, indicate in the comment section of this video. You want this application for free? I've done a video on how you can download this application without paying. Kindly check the description box or check my page for more video on how you are going to get it done.